just purchased a small N-gauge collection. This is a Hobbytrain class 247 with sound. The box is there, but it's actually missing the box lid, so you've got the slip. I'm guessing you must have broken the lid at some point, and that was it, it's gone. And so it's almost there. We do have the manual, which is kind of important because it's got the function list for the sound. And the model itself is in really good condition. The only thing that I've spotted is this headlamp cover on this side is missing. It's a little clear part, and they were sods for doing this. Even when they were brand new, they would turn up with those missing. Such a small part. So a quick look underneath, and the wheels don't show much evidence of running. It's been used a bit, but not very much at all. It probably still needs running in, so... Oops, wrong way. That's what I meant to do. It's a Zemo sound decoder, I believe. I think there's about 15 sound functions. Try and get the manual here. 18. On the mute. So all the usual sound functions. So nice solid model from Hobbytrain. Okay, so I've turned out the workshop lights so that we can have a look at the lighting. It does have red and white lights, very small apertures, so they're not the brightest, but they are there, and there is a high beam on function 7, which increases it about 50% the brightness. Come around to this end. And then the high beam there.